Okay, YouTube, I'm going to do a speed test on Hurley mini swell. I'm putting in a level 3 assist, although I don't think it needs it with just throttle. I'm going to go throttle only. Going to measure it also with my iPhone and this speedometer app on this level portion of bike path.
You want to experience true level? Do you?
Ready? Let's go. Oh, I'm starting off in 6th gear. That was a mistake. There's the boost. Full throttle. 11. So far. Oh, I hope my hand doesn't get ripped off from the acceleration. Oh, look at that. I wonder if the speedometer doesn't read past 21. Because I saw 23. Okay, there you go, and you can see I had a full battery on that, on this test. So it looks like it tops out at 23 miles an hour.
Oh God! Oh Christ!
Yeah, true level, bitch.
Okay, we're gonna do another speed test. I'm gonna got this slight downhill, and got it in level assist 3, and I've got pretty much full battery. So we'll go throttle only and see how fast we can go on this guy. Ready, go. Oh, come on. Let the assist kick in. There we go. My goodness, that was slow. All right, 21, 22. 21, huh? I would have thought that I'd be able to hit at least 24 down that. Can I make it go any faster by pedaling? See, I'm topped out in my gear. I'm like topped out. Well, I hit 23, 24, and I'm pedaling. Okay, that's all. All right, guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.